In this video, we will show you how to change your engine oil and filter on this Ford Fusion with a 3.0 liter engine. We need our engine oil filter and 6 quarts of 520 oil. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Make sure you have your vehicle in an area that's safe to get under it. Once you've done so, make your way under the hood to your engine oil cap. Take hold of that cap, turn it counterclockwise, and remove it. Give the seal a quick inspection. Assuming that looks good, let's set the oil cap aside and safely make our way underneath the front of the vehicle. Once you've made your way underneath the vehicle, locate the engine oil drain plug along the bottom of the drain pan. Make sure you have a collection bucket under this area so you can recycle all of the oil properly. Use a 15mm to remove the drain plug. Once you have it out of there, give it a quick inspection and make sure it is still reusable. Once it's finished draining, continue on to cleaning down the mounting point and reinstalling your drain plug. Bottom that out and torque it to 19 foot-pounds. Along the front of the engine, to remove your engine oil filter, we'll be using a large band wrench for this. Go ahead and turn this counterclockwise to remove it. Engine oil will come out of here. Make sure you have your collection bucket under this area. Let's clean up this area real quick. Before you install your oil filter, it's important to make sure you prime it with brand new oil directly in the center here. You don't need to fill it all the way up, we just want to make sure there is a little bit of oil inside there. The next thing we'll do is take a glove finger and coat that seal. Let's install the oil filter in the vehicle. Let's take that filter and get it in place up against the engine. Bottom it out by hand, take your engine oil filter wrench and just give it a little bit extra. Clean up your mess. Now let's make our way up into the engine compartment. Continue on with a funnel in the oil fill, which is up along the valve cover. We'll be adding 6 quarts of 5W20 oil directly into the funnel here and down into the engine. Let's get this last quart in here. Reinstall your engine oil cover. At this point, the next thing that we're going to do is start up the vehicle. We'll let it run for approximately 15 to 30 seconds and turn it right back off. Double check to make sure you don't have any leaks underneath, and then we'll continue on to checking our oil level. Once you've checked and you're sure you do not have any engine oil leaks, continue on at the engine oil dipstick. Pull that out of the dipstick tube, give it a quick wipe, and then we'll reinsert it. Before we do, we're going to have a look down at the bottom here. You're going to see that you have 2 small holes. In between those holes, there should be a couple small hatches. You want to be directly in the center of that area. If you're up near the upper circle here, that's okay. If you're above it, you need to drain some out, and if for some reason you're somewhere below the chart, you need to go ahead and add a little bit. Let's have a quick look at that. I can see that my level's down inside the hatched area. Reinstall the dipstick. At this point, you just want to confirm that everything is closed. It's a good recommendation to go ahead and check your air filter and the rest of your fluids while you're under here. Once you've done so, go ahead and close the hood and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.